Hey guys, the two sisters are in Macau. Today, we took a bus from Hong Kong all the way to Macau. So we cruised the bridge from Hong Kong to Macau. Yeah. See that behind me? That's the signature of Macau. We've been looking for this. Let's go upstairs. Wala nang pakialaman mga tao. Picture lang kayo kung picture nyo. Video kayo kung video nyo. Akyat na ako. Yay! Okay. Ayan na siya. Dandahan natin iikot para makuha natin yung heritage building ng Macau. Ayan. Yan yun. Yan yun siya. This is my third time here in Macau in this specific spot. Okay. Tarang! Macau, here we are.